Good afternoon, everybody. This is live in the market. I have a 3-minute chart on our trading platform. This is the Amazon trade. We're going to teach you how to use call charts and put charts. We went straight right down and we've come up off of the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and show the 1670 put and the 1660 put. What we have here is the 1670 put. The close yesterday was at 35. We had owned it at 34.40. Yesterday's high on these contracts were $21. The low this morning on the 1670 put is 26.90. The high of the day is 48.55. Right now, the bid is $40 by $40.72. They had manipulated the Amazon, as everybody is aware of, on our YouTube channel. I am now going to pull up a 1660 put and a 1670. This is a daily put chart on the 1670 strike price. This is where they deflated the contract. The low was 26.90. If we go back 4 days ago, the contract was at $66 on the high. Now, understanding how to use a put chart and the strike price, Amazon is down 12.25 right now, and we're getting a bounce off of the bottom. And this is the 3-minute chart. This is our market maker application. IR is 32. Each line is $1.42. So basically, as we come up off of the bottom, we're going to take a look at the 1660 and the 1670. So this is intraday, went straight down. And right now, we've come up off of the bottom. This is what Amazon likes to do in the volatility. So once again, we're down 11.46, and this is the 1670 put option, and it is. So basically, wholesale, retail. We're going to be buying the dip on the 1670 put, and we're going to be buying the dip on the 1660 put. And this is a put chart at the 1660 strike price. The strike price is for the monthly February 15th monthly options expiration. All right, let's get back down to the fact that I'm going to move this out of the way, and we're going to take a limit order, and our limit order on this, the close was 35. The high is 48.55. So being able to buy wholesale is going to be down here at $32.50. Now, having said that, we can see Amazon move. We can see the put side of the market move. Join our free live day trading room. We give out the entry and the exit. This is live market hours 2/6 of 2019. The time is 7:47 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So once again, 99% of the people have never even seen a call chart or a put chart. I'm going to show the 1660. What we have here, monthly contract, 1660 is the strike price. They ran this up to 41.80, and they did when Amazon was tanking. And right now, the low was 22.75, but we're working with the closing price of $29 a contract on the 1660 put option on Amazon. That's down $12 and some change, and that's what it looks like. So basically, we're taking the entry that's in the money, and that is the high, and we're going to be buying these at $30.50, providing that Amazon will continue to run to the high. And what I have here is the 1660 monthly expiration uh, put chart. And basically, they walk this thing that when we look at where the high was recently, this particular high is where they stole the premium and walked it down. That high was $109 on that 1670, and the 1660 is identical, and I'll show you why it's identical. Here's why. This is it. If we go back over here, the high was $75. The low today was $22.75. And there's a lot of room to go higher in these 1660 puts. And the bid and ask on the 1660 is not buying on the high, but learning how to buy wholesale and understanding where the movements are in Amazon. And we're coming up. This is a left. This is they shut it straight down. So now we're going to come up in here, and that's going to be dropping the prices, and it will on the strike. So our limit order here, like I said, on the 1660, we would be changing the order, and we would put it out there at $27.50. Time is 7:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're trading a monthly put option. We're using a monthly put chart. We're using the values of the trend and where the ranges are going to be. And so that is the high. This is the pullback. And I'm going to give limit orders to people in the live trading room and how to buy that pullback in the option and get the wholesale entry. I have covered the 1660, the 1670, and Amazon has a trading range of $38 this morning. 1672 was a high. They dropped it to 1633. We have a negative money flow of $148 million. Once again, it's all about getting into the live trading room, and it's all about getting the wholesale price and understanding how options work. People with no experience, we encourage you to get here.